Alright folks.
Getting blinded, but it's for views.
Yes. Yeah, so that's another one done.
Hello.
Is
Hi,
he
Mum. Hi, Mummy.
Does she watch?
No.
No.
Mum don't even know how to do Amazon, really. Never mind YouTube.
Yeah, so that's another one down. The little Fiesta 1.4 is back together.
The Beast.
It is a beast.
The Beast from the East, that's
so
what it is.
engine, like, there's, I think it's 4 part of this one. Yeah, because we did engine removal, strip down, rebuild, which isn't up where it will be before this, and then this one we'll put the engine back in and rebuild the full car. So yeah, that's
right,
it'll be 4 parts.
4-part Beast.
Beautiful. We like our multi-parters. They work well, don't they? Cheers, mate.
Drink boy. Celebratory.
Celebratory.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cherry Pepsi, so one.
Yeah. So that's this one done. What's today's date?
Today's date?
Yeah.
Let me check my fancy smartwatch. 29th, kid.
29th of March.
Oh, you're alright.
Oh, you're alright. Yeah. So that's 29th of March. Finished. We're going to be keeping it for another few days, I think. Running it, making sure everything's alright with how far it's been apart. It needs testing, really, doesn't it?
It's been a little bit apart, hasn't
yes,
it?
Has been a fair bit apart. Yeah. So that's this one done. Next up, have you been filming that one you've been on with?
Yeah. Well, I haven't really been on with it. I filmed the first bit.
He's filmed the first bit. We'll go over now and get the second bit done. Getting that bit on.
We will.
Get that done now.
20 minutes, probably have it done.
Yeah. Get that bit done, and then that'll be that one. Another good news. Good news. Vivaro's coming back.
Oh yeah.
Vivaro will be back on the channel soon. Won't it? The Vivaro beast.
Hey, great news.
Yeah, be back on the channel.
Matty hadn't shut up about his Vivaro for about
a week.
Hour.
Yeah. A week. Yeah.
We're going on a road trip on Saturday.
We're going on a road trip.
I'll film the road trip.
Yeah, we will. We're off to Headingley. Is it Headingley?
Headingley in Leeds.
Headingley in Leeds to pick up a second engine. Because I'm going to don't get a chance to touch that engine. So
you just bought another one.
So I bought another that I'm going to put in the I bought another to put in the van, so I can use the van while I build that engine, and then have that engine sat in the garage for when the engine I'm buying blows up.
So we've got no better to do. We need some content.
Yeah, we'll just take an engine out and put an engine in for no reason. But yeah, I'll continue building that engine. It's
you said about green, didn't you?
What? Paint that engine green.
Green it.
Yeah.
We've lots of time, aren't we?
Yeah. I was thinking like all the ancillaries green. You know, like main engine black, rest of the ancillaries green, like even down to like the alternator casing and everything.
Yeah, I'm busy that day. That'd be alright, ball 8, wouldn't it? Painting an alternator casing.
It would be, yeah.
I think we should paint every single copper wire inside the alternator green, individually.
That'd be cool. It'd just be a piss take. Yeah. So yeah, we'll do that. We'll film the road trip, like time lapse on the road trip there. So when we go get it, pick the engine up, bring it back. Clutch, Fiesta clutch, providing it gets dropped off.
Fiesta clutch.
Yeah, a little Fiesta clutch, 1.25 petrol Fiesta. We're going to be doing clutch on. Yeah.
It'll be alright.
Plenty to do, and the project, which by this point the video's not out, but by the point we're filming this, the video's not out. But the point, it's not out yet, is it? It's on the channel, but it's ready to come up.
What?
The project.
Oh, the
project, yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, it's yeah. The video's not up at this point, but it will be by the time this comes out.
God, the boy talks in riddles, doesn't he?
I do. Do you know what I'm on about?
Nope.
Neither do I. Neither do I. No. But yeah.
Light is really blinding me.
It is blinding. Anyway, like and subscribe, please.
Subscribe.
Yes. Thank you for watching. We really do appreciate it.
Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. We're doing all right. What was it? 276 latest count.
276 today.
276. By the time this video comes out, it might be at 300.
No, we will be at 300.
We will be. But yeah, like and subscribe, people. Thank you for everyone for watching. We do massively appreciate it, and we'll catch you in the next one.